Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Civeo Corp, and this is a weekly chart for this particular stock. And if you are looking at the current trend, the way the stock has been moving from the lows of March 2020, it actually went up by 200%, and after the fall it is currently up by 126%. Now it's a decent amount of return that the stock has given in a very short amount of time, although means as per the market expectation it may not be that much because stocks are moving 500,000 2,000% in a single trading session. But instead, if a stock can become double in a span of 5 or 6 months, it's actually a very good amount of a very good return in any normal circumstances. So we are going to discuss about the overall trend and what one should expect going forward, because we are looking at a weekly chart as I've already told you. So the time frame will be from couple of months to probably couple of years, obviously. So although there is a difference between weekly and monthly chart, but probably both will give you the same flavor of the trend. Now, having said that, if you just look at the stock, so the stock has made its low at 0.35 cents. Okay, so it is the low which the stock has made in the month of March this year 2020. But if you are just checking the trend, and if you can see the overall trend, so what you can say that this was your previous line of support which the stock has broken and fallen down afterwards, and this is what one need to look at. Okay, or these are the things. Now, how to analyze the trend, we are going to look into this. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now listen to me very carefully, that if the stock is unable to sustain above 1.17 or 1.18, or probably you can consider 1.2, then till then this is just a trading bounce, simply a trading bounce which have a less chance of sustainability. Why I am telling that is, as you can see that you have multiple support levels, and looking at the current trend, obviously these support levels will mean a lot. So as you can see, your immediate support level will come at 0.63, below which you have 0.47, and final support level will be at 0.35. Now below 0.35 one should not carry any position, because the next it will go to 0, we don't know. That's why below 0.35 one should not carry any position. Now as you can see, because the stock is moving above 0.76, so it can also be considered as a support level. But in between 0.76 and 0.83, this is a range of resistance or target. Now if the stock, as it has already moved over 0.76, can probably hit 0.83, and if it sustain above 0.83, then again you have two very closely related targets or resistance level, which will be in between 1.03 and 1.17. So as I have already told you that above 0.17, 0.18, if the stock sustain, then there is a probability that it could go higher. Otherwise, as you can see, there are multiple, at least 4 target or resistance level short term which the stock can face, and if it unable to sustain or make a breakout above those levels, obviously it will go back or fall back toward its previous low or recent lows. Now this is what you have to know about the risk. Now about the return, if the stock sustain above this level, okay, then we have a probability for the following. Okay, so if the stock sustain above 1.17, then we have our next target at 1.5. Further we have 2.4, then $3, then we have 3.4, and for the time being we have our final target or resistance at 4.79 or 4.8. So these are all the levels which one need to look at, and as I've already told you that there are some conditionalities till 1.17. There is one thing above 1.1718, the previous trend will resume, and there will be a possibility that stock could move towards 4.8, which will be your big resistance or next big resistance. So for the time being, one need to look at 0.47 or 0.48 on the higher end of the range. And if the stock moves further or sustain beyond 4.479, 4.8 or $5, then we are going to look at the trend after that. Okay, we will review once again, we will review the trend after that as well. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.